Good morning, everyone. So, our today's topic is difference between human resource management and international human resource management. It is one of the important topic in strategic human resource management. See, international HRM differs from domestic HRM in number of ways, but there are two major factors when it comes to differentiating HRM and IHRM. First is the complexity of operations. That means if there are different countries involved, the complexity itself goes up. And secondly, employing different national categories of workers, it is also a major issue of concern because in every country laws are different. Laws related to human resource is also different. The culture and the working culture of every country is also different. So these are two basic differences, but it's still we can find out more differences in uh, international HRM as well as domestic HRM. So one of the difference is that IHRM has to manage the complexity of operations in employing people from different country and different culture. A major reason for the failure of an international venture is to lack of understanding of cultures and the laws of different countries, and even the management style in different countries are different. And one management style which is successful in domestic environment may not be applicable to international market or international organizations. So the reason that HRM and IHRM has a difference is majorly on the basis of complexity involved in international human resource management. So we see the difference among HRM and international HRM. So first we can say that international HRM address to broader range of activity as compared to a domestic HRM. International HRM activity includes international laws related to taxation, coordinating foreign currencies, exchange rate, international reallocation, international orientation of employees. Okay, so these are the differences when it comes to international HRM and domestic HRM. Second difference could be the human resource managers working in international environment may face problem of addressing HR issues to the employee belongs to more than one nationality. Hence these HR managers need to set up different HRM system for different locations. Human resource manager in domestic environment administer HR policies and programs to the employees belonging to a single nationality. So one more complex difference on the basis of complexity could be this. International HRM require greater involvement of personal life of employees, and the HR manager of an MNC must ensure that an executive posted to foreign countries understand all the aspects of uh, compensation package provide to foreign assignment, such as cost of living, tax, etc. And the HR manager need to assess the readiness of employee and his family to accept relocation of their entire family. That means including spouse work or admitting children to the school, all of this. So there are one more complexity when it comes to international HRM. There is a exposure of risk also in the international assignments, because the foreign law could differ from your domestic country law. So there is a risk, always there is a risk involved in safety and security of employee and his family. A major aspect of risk relevant to IHRM today is possibility of terrorism. It is one of the major concern when it comes to international HRM. So moreover, the human and financial consequences of the mistake in IHRM are must be served that are must be severe than the domestic businesses. For example, an executive is posted in abroad, return prematurely. It could result uh, him to a direct cost as well as some indirect cost also. Then international HRM has to deal with external factors more when it compares to domestic HRM. For example, government regulation about staffing practice in foreign locations, local code of conduct, influence the of the local religion of the group, etc., uh, comes into focus when it comes to international HRM practices. International HRM address the broad range of activities, whereas domestic HRM deals with issues related to employees belong to a single nationality. When it comes to international HRM, greater exposure of risk in international HRM also involves. So we can see that these are the differences when it comes to domestic HRM versus international HRM. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you.